Hey, so you want to know what pharmacology is all about? Well, you've come to the right place. Let me break it down for you, super simple, super quick. Pharmacology is basically the science of drugs, not just how to pronounce those big names, but how drugs actually work in our bodies. Think of it as the ultimate guidebook for medicine, how drugs interact with our systems, what they do, how they do it, and why they sometimes don't do what they're supposed to. Let's start with the basics. Every drug has two main jobs: what it does to your body, called pharmacodynamics, and what your body does to the drug, called pharmacokinetics. Sounds fancy, right? But all it means is, on one hand, how the drug acts, and on the other, how you process the drug. Pharmacodynamics is all about the effects, like how painkillers relieve pain, or how antihistamines stop your sneezing during allergy season. Each drug has a target, a specific spot in your body, like a receptor or an enzyme. Imagine a key fitting into a lock. If it fits, you get the effect. Now, pharmacokinetics, this is your body's way of handling drugs. It's got 4 steps: absorption, distribution, metabolism, and excretion. Or, as I like to remember it, how it gets in, where it goes, how it changes, and how it leaves. For example, when you swallow a pill, it's absorbed into your bloodstream, distributed to where it's needed, broken down by your liver, and finally excreted, usually through your kidneys. But here's the thing: everyone processes drugs a little differently. Age, genetics, diet, even other medications can all change how a drug works for you. That's why doctors ask so many questions before prescribing anything. And what about side effects? Well, drugs aren't perfect. Sometimes they hit more than just their target, causing effects we don't want. That's why understanding pharmacology is so important. It helps healthcare professionals maximize benefits while minimizing risks. So why should you care about pharmacology? If you're heading into healthcare, it's your foundation. If you just want to be a smart patient, knowing the basics helps you ask better questions and take meds safely. To sum up, pharmacology is the science of drugs and their effects, split into pharmacodynamics and pharmacokinetics. It's all about understanding how medicines work, how your body handles them, and how to use them safely. That's it, your crash course on pharmacology basics. Got questions? Drop them below. Until next time, stay curious and take care of yourself.